guys, I'm Matt Miranda. I've used SWAT now for over 10 years at a couple of my properties. Always excellent service with these guys. They're always prompt, always courteous, always punctual and very explain everything to a T. I'm going to continue using them, and I would definitely recommend them to anybody that I know.
My name is Sandra Bickle. I've been using SWAT since 2014. Highly recommend them. Great company, great people, easy to talk to, always return my calls.
Hi, my name is Tony. SWAT did a great job. Romero was very professional and did a great job. I recommend him highly.
Hey, good afternoon, guys. I'm here with Brandon and Romero. I used SWAT company today, and I was very happy with the service. They just changed the fan motor on my AC and the capacitor, and I will definitely use them again. Thank you.